In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom Phone with HubSpot. This is the ultimate guide to seamlessly connecting these two powerful platforms for an enhanced communication experience. If you're looking to streamline your business communications and keep everything organized in one place, you've clicked on the right video. Let's dive right in. First, you want to start by navigating to the user guide on HubSpot. You can easily find it by heading over to the HubSpot homepage and looking for resources or help sections where guides are usually listed. This section will be your go-to as you proceed with the integration process. Once you're in the user guide area, the first thing you'll want to do is look for the option to enter the marketplace. HubSpot's marketplace is like a treasure trove of apps and integrations that can enhance your CRM system. After you're in the marketplace, the next step is to click on the Apps section. The Apps section is specifically designed to help you discover integrations that can make your HubSpot experience even more powerful and tailored to your business needs. Now that you've clicked into the Apps section, it's time to search for Zoom Phone. In the search field, simply type in Zoom Phone to get results specific to what we're aiming to integrate. Now keep in mind that accurate spelling is key here to ensure the correct app comes up in the search results. Once Zoom Phone appears in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the app's dedicated page where you can find more detailed information about what the Zoom Phone integration can do for your business. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the features listed on this page, as this will inform how you might want to use Zoom Phone within HubSpot. The final but crucial step is installing the app. On the Zoom Phone app page, you'll see the Install App button. Clicking this will initiate the process of integrating Zoom Phone with your HubSpot account. During installation, you might be prompted to grant permissions or authenticate your Zoom account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to ensure everything is set up correctly. And that's it! You've just successfully integrated Zoom Phone with HubSpot. With this setup, you now have a more unified communications platform right from within HubSpot. Remember, integrating apps not only enhances functionality but can significantly improve efficiency by reducing the need to switch between different platforms. I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow.